Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide story replies on Snapchat. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Snapchat encourage brand to set chat to private, which you can do in your account settings under privacy control and tapping on contact me. Deselecting friends, setting to friend means only people you have added as friend and Snapchat can contact and send you snaps, chats, or calls. You can still communicate with subscribers via the story replies feature. But what if you want to hide? You want to turn off the story replies on your Telegram. So simple. So first you can open our Snapchat and you can just go to your profile like this. Tap on public profile. You can go to the settings by tap on the upper right corner here. And you'll find there is an option show public story replies. You can just enable this feature by tap on the toggle in here. So when you create story on your Snapchat, there is no option to replay to your chat to your snaps on this Telegram on this Snapchat. Sorry. So no one can replies, no one can comment on your Snapchat story. It's so simple, right? So that is how to turn off story replies on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.